So for our final evaluation of ePortfolio software programs, we're going to look at TaskStream. TaskStream offers a solution for managing data that streamlines workflow and improves processes. So TaskStream's goal is to take data and use that meaningful data to help create better products. And one of those products could be ePortfolios. If we look at that option at the top, they have many purposes for explaining the use of ePortfolios using their program. Academic ePortfolios, programs for courses, general education ePortfolios, ePortfolios for professionals, and for faculty looking for promotion. So again, many uses of TaskStream for an ePortfolio. Now let's go to login and attempt to create an account. So if you have an account, here's where you log in. I'm going to select create new account. A guest account, you can only get that if you are affiliated with a business or university already using TaskStream. So I'm going to go to create a new subscription and then continue. And I will select K-12. You could also select college, university, or neither. And when I do that, you can see the rates for TaskStream. 1 year is $49, 2 years is $79, and they offer packages up to 6 years with you getting a discount for each year you would subscribe to the service. So, of course, if you plan on using it for 6 years, you're getting the best deal for the 6-year package. But for an individual user, this is quite an expensive program. It does seem to be geared more towards the college and university environments due to the cost, and it brings together the data with everything else. So the data is streamlined and used to help create better products for both student and teachers alike, including helping teachers create proper assessments. Most universities that are using TaskStream have a page set up that helps students create their logins. So here is an example of that page from Grand Canyon University, and I could use that code, but I will not because I am not a member of Grand Canyon University. I am not a faculty or staff member, so I would not use that code. But they do walk you step by step through the process, and again, most universities that use TaskStream do have one of these pages set up that helps students create their accounts step by step.
Twitter posts that are scattered all over to the winds. Students will be able to.
So what you just saw was a video. This is on YouTube, and it was created by Ithaca College to explain the benefits of ePortfolios and their successes and benefits in using the TaskStream program. And as you can see, the program is very compatible with many other software programs out there, including other ePortfolio programs, social networking sites, professional networking sites, and other programs. So it looks like, as far as the user friendliness of the program for students in creating your ePortfolios, it looks like they should be able to insert many different types of file formats from their different pages to help make a dynamic and creative ePortfolio. So here's an example of a student's resume they created. It looks like this would be a student who is looking to get into the fashion industry. Believe it is French, maybe. But regardless, this is an example of their product.
Their student organizations.
You'll see another one in a second.
The volunteer experiences, the work experiences. And this gives students an opportunity to put it all in one place and to think about how all these things connect.
So it looks like the products created by TaskStream are very pleasant for the viewer in terms of the organization, a good product that demonstrates the purpose of the portfolio, very easy on the eyes, easy to follow. And again, when we're looking at those two products, those two portfolios, we're not seeing the usability from the student end, but you could imagine that if they're able to create products like that, then the user interface should be relatively user-friendly for the student to use.
That
Here's another example of a e-portfolio created by a student using TaskStream.
A little bit more formally evaluate, are we doing what we said?
Now if we go back to the TaskStream website, again going to the e-portfolio section, it explains that the benefits of using their program for TaskStream in terms of e-portfolio creation. They're structured templates for students. They get feedback and evaluation from their teacher using rubrics, comments. They can share their work on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social networking sites and software programs. The compatibility allows for personalization, and there can be assessment through their portfolios based on the compatibility of the program with creation of e-portfolios, and students are very engaged by using their program to create the e-portfolio. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention is that they explain a lot about educator preparation. TaskStream seems to be a program that is geared for students and teachers alike because it allows teachers to plan accurate assessments, to use the data in data-driven decision-making for placements of students, lesson planning. So you can see that when you look at the educator preparation portion of the website, they're not just a program for e-portfolios. They're a program that takes the data from assessments and other items and uses that to help create better products across the board, whether that be formal assessments, formal assessments, or, of course, the creation of e-portfolios. So in summary, it does appear that there's good products that can be made with the TaskStream program. It is relatively expensive and does seem to be used primarily by colleges and universities due to the cost associated with the program, but also in terms of streamlining the data with the products, including e-portfolios.